Jaxx Liberty app. The pros, the cons. If you've been in crypto for a while, you've probably heard of the Jaxx Liberty app, one of the original multi-currency wallets that helped popularize digital asset management. But does it still hold up today? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Jaxx Liberty's biggest advantage is multi-asset support. It allows you to store, send, and receive more than 80 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash. It's a true one-stop wallet for people who want to manage everything in one place. Next up is user control. Jaxx is a non-custodial wallet, which means you hold your private keys and full control over your funds. That's a huge benefit for users who value privacy and independence. No centralized authority has access to your crypto. Another major plus is its cross-platform access. You can use Jaxx on mobile, desktop, and even as a browser extension. Your wallet syncs across all devices, making it incredibly convenient for users who manage crypto on the go. But there are cons you should know. First, security limitations. While it's non-custodial, Jaxx doesn't offer advanced security options like multi-signature support or hardware wallet integration. That means your protection depends heavily on your own device security. Second, no built-in staking or DeFi features. In a world where wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet connect you directly to apps, Jaxx feels a bit dated in functionality. Finally, customer support can be slow, and updates are less frequent than they used to be. This can make troubleshooting or adding new token standards more difficult. In conclusion, Jaxx Liberty remains a solid, user-friendly choice for those who want control over their crypto without relying on exchanges. The surprising truth? It's not the flashiest wallet anymore, but it's still one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly tools for managing multiple digital assets safely.